from Skiset. Today we are talking about ski boots. It's important to have good fitting ski boots for comfort and control. For your ski boot fittings, don't forget your ski socks. It's important to have a qualified technician to have the best ski boot fit. The first part of the process is when you arrive in the shop, you have to check in. Next stage, we have a very nice technology which is called the scan fit, and we scan your feet. The machine will create a 3D image of your foot to find you the best boots for your feet. The other stores do not have the machine, they can measure your feet manually. Now we have got the measurement, we can try the boots. The boot fitter will open the boots. You put your feet in the boots. When you have your feet in the ski boots, the boot fitter will show you how to close your boots and how to fasten them up. The boot fitter will ask you if you feel comfortable, if it doesn't hurt, and when you are standing straight, your toes have to slightly touch the end of the boots. During the boot fitting, the boot fitter will tell you to get in the skiing position. You need to bend your knees and lean slightly forward. It's very important to check if this position is comfortable. The process of boot fittings for children is pretty much the same. Boots should never be painful, and if they are, you ask your boot fitter to try another pair.